Today's lesson is about statistical questions, and we're going to start with a definition. The definition is a statistical question anticipates variability in the data related to the question. Now, what does variability mean? That's our important word here and the key part of our definition. Well, variability means that the data must be a variable. In math, a variable is anything that changes. So basically, the answer to the question has to change or can change from person to person or subject to subject. So we're going to walk through a couple examples to illustrate our definition. First, I'm going to ask, how tall are you? Well, if someone asks me how tall am I would say I am 5 foot 5 inches. But can I give any other answer? I'm always 5 foot 5 inches. That's how tall I am. So that is not a statistical question. There's only one answer. It does not vary. It does not change. Okay? Next is, how tall is each person in your house? Well, there's two people in my house. The first person's me, I'm 5'5", and the second person is 5'10". Those are two different variable answers. They change from person to person. So you guessed it, it is a statistical question because my answer varies. A couple more. How many sides does a triangle have? Hopefully you're shouting out to me, 3. There's 3 sides to a triangle. And that's it. If it doesn't have 3 sides, if it has 4 sides, it is not a triangle. If it has 2 sides, well, it's not even a shape. So this is not a statistical question. One last one. How many cousins does each of your classmates have? If I were to ask each one of you how many cousins that you have, well, the first person can say 0, the second person can say 4, the next person can say 2, and so on and so forth until I asked everyone in your class. So because each different answer varies from person to person, because our data is a variable, this is a statistical question. Okay? Hopefully you understand what a statistical question is, and it's your turn to practice. So what you're going to do is open this Google slide, and on the last slide there's a little activity. You're going to have questions, and you need to drag and drop them and put them in the appropriate bucket. All right? Good luck.